Nandito tayo sa Grace Hill Park. Nakapunta na tayo dito before. Mga kambing ang sumalubong sa'yo. Ang dami, oh.
Sakto dito sa heart.
Hey, I wonder where this building is.
By the way, this is just a walking distance from the paragliding area in Binangonan, Cardona Hillside. Do we want boneless chicken inasal or Oriental chicken solo? Sa'yo?
Seafood pasta.
Nice. Ito po, ano lang menu. Marami silang selection. May special sila. Yes.
David, order ka lang kasi bali sa kong price yung mga Joes. Sige, next tayo.
Okay, so okay, thank you.
Ito naman.
Una muna po. Meron din silang iced coffee and hot coffee, though we did not order at this time. Ang ganda ng view, oh. Panoramic siya.
Oh, Joes ba yun? Diba?
Yes.
Tapos dami ko na.
Ano supposed to go?
Thanks.
Chicken masal.
Thank you.
Orders lang dito sa ate.
Salamat. Chicken inasal boneless, Oriental chicken, seafood pasta. And we had the mojos and fries. Mulberry, lychee, and smokey ube. Ang araw pa ako nagkikrave sa itlog na mala. Grace Hill is located in Binangonan, Rizal, overlooking the city view of Metro Manila. It's a 360-degree views overlooking also yung other side ng Sierra Madre Mountains. Boss. And we finished our Grace Hill Park Cafe adventures.
Yummy.
Ayun yung view, oh, pabalik sa parking. Yun nga lang, malayo yung parking. And we're done eating sa Grace Hill Park Cafe.